Introduction. In May of 1983, Logos Foundation convened a two-day conference at the Shore Motor Inn in Artermon, Sydney, which addressed the subject, quote, "The place of the Judeo-Christian ethic in today's society." Speakers were Mr. William Bentley Ball and Professor Rousas J. Rushdoony. Mr. Ball approached the discussion from a legal standpoint. Dr. Rushdoony spoke from a theological view. While both men are Americans, it soon became obvious that there is a striking parallel between America and Australia regarding the attack by the state upon Christian schools, with America several years ahead of Australia in responding to and countering challenges to Christ-centered education. In that regard, the experience of these men was most timely, as challenges continue to mount day by day against the very existence of Christian schools in Australia. The timeliness, the value, and the depth of the meetings was such that all delegates considered it vital to have the audio recordings of the meetings transcribed and edited for publication. Dr. Rushdoony's 6 messages are the subject of this book.